Gelli plate printing with stencils. To help with registration, I really advise you to stick a piece of paper underneath and with the same size paper on top, hinge it with a bit of masking tape so as it goes back and forth in the same place each time. So first layer on, lift and roll your brayer, get your stencils ready, and now we can just add the layers. And now you're ready to pop the paper over and smooth at the back of the paper with your hands. Apply gentle pressure and reveal. So that's the first layer done. So essentially we've got two colours, blue and white. The white paper left behind. And of course the blue acrylic paint. So now with the scrap piece of paper, I'm cleaning my plate in between each layer. But don't discard that scrap piece because it's known as a ghost print. Next colour. Add more stencils. This is probably the most time-consuming part of your print where you have to cut out images, but that's okay, part of the fun. And you've guessed it, cover it again. Now because I've hinged my paper with a bit of tape, it's going to stay in exactly the same place and therefore we get that lovely crisp edge. So once again, peel off all of your stencils and then with your ghost print that's already pre-attached to the side of the plate, or the bottom of the plate, just go over it and pick up all of that excess ink. Clean your plate every time before each layer. Here we go then with our third layer, the green. So just think about where you want to position it. And in this particular area, I'd like to mask out the lady with the hat. So if I don't mask it out, then all of that green ink, the green paint is going to sit on top of the existing print where the lady in the hat has got pink on and white on. But instead, I'd like to retain that colour, so I'm masking out. So all I've done is just roll a bit of tape behind, and that should do the trick. And so as you can see, where I've masked out the lady with the hat, she has retained the colour of being pink and white. And once more, I am just using that ghost print, that scrap bit of paper, just to wipe and clean my plate in between each layer. So nothing goes to waste, including all of that excess ink that you're picking up each time. One thing that I like to do is sometimes just use my stencils and stick them on the actual print right at the end, but you don't have to. So get printing.